I read it in the papers.
Look, Mum, I've bought a car on eBay for £9,000. A 3-year-old boy used his mother's computer to buy a £9,000 car on the internet auction site eBay. Jack Neal's parents only discovered their son's successful bid when they received a message from the website. The message said they had bought a pink Nissan Figaro. Mrs. Neal, 36, said that they couldn't understand it. She explained that she had been on the net the day before, but she hadn't bought anything. Jack kept telling us that he was so happy and that we would soon get a big surprise. Mrs. Neal from Sleaford, Lincolnshire, thought Jack was joking. He often used the computer, and she was pretty sure that he knew her password. Her husband, John, 37, phoned the seller of the car and explained that there had been a mistake. Fortunately, he saw the funny side and said he would advertise the car again. Mr. Neal has told Jack to be more careful, and he has asked his wife to change her password.
Man throws away £20,000 in town centre. A mystery man started a riot in a busy town centre yesterday by hurling £20,000 in banknotes into the air. Traffic was stopped at 11 a.m. in Alexandra Road, Aberystwyth, Mid Wales, as money rained down from the sky. Local shopkeeper Anthony Jones, 55, said, "I couldn't understand it, so I asked my neighbour what was happening." They saw people on their hands and knees grabbing money. "No one knew where the money came from," he said. "They were just stuffing it in their pockets." Passerby Eleanor Morris said, "I wondered if there had been a road accident because the traffic was at a complete standstill." Flower seller Cadwyn Thomas saw the man, who was wearing a red Welsh rugby shirt. "I asked him why he was giving away all his money, but he didn't answer. He just laughed." Police asked Cadwyn if she knew the man. "I told them I'd never seen him before. He certainly wasn't from around here." Dyfed-Powys Police later confirmed that a 40-year-old man from Aberystwyth had been questioned. "He refused to tell us why he'd done it," a spokesman said, "so it's a complete mystery. He wanted to know if we were going to arrest him, but giving away money isn't against the law."